Hello children, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is triangles. In class 9 we have very detail we have discussed about congruency of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their shape and size are equal, if they superimpose each other, or we can say we have learned about many criterions also, SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS and so on. But today in class 10 we will discuss triangles only, but we are going to discuss a new term, that is similarity. Children, you might have in geography, in science, you might have learned about distance from earth to sun, altitude of a mountain. Now the question comes, how do we get these data? How do we get the height of a mountain? How do we get the distance from one planet to another planet? Here this concept works, that is similarity. Because of similarity only we are able to calculate the distance between planets, the distance between the height of a mountain, right? It is not, though it's not exact, but anyhow it is near to the exactness. So this concept works here. Now similarity. First of all, we'll talk about congruence. In congruence we talk about same size and same shape, but in similarity we'll talk about same shape only, so we'll not discuss about size. This is the difference between similarity and congruence. So two objects having same shape are said to be similar, and two objects having same shape and same size are said to be congruence. For example, if we take an equilateral triangle and another equilateral triangle, both are having same shape, so these two are similar. Whereas if we are talking about congruence, then they are supposed to superimpose each other, their size should also be same. This is the simple example of triangle we have taken. We'll talk about similar figures. Suppose we take a pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. And if we take another pentagon, and if their angles are same and they are having number of sides same, that means their shape is exactly same, then such shapes, such figures are called to be similar. So any two polygon which are having same shape, number of sides are also same, right? Then we can say both are similar. We'll discuss in detail. Just we are having an introduction right now. So the difference between congruence and similarity here is, similarity in this we'll discuss about only shape, and in congruence we had discussed about size and shape. Now in the relation between these two objects can be similar, but it's not necessary that they are congruent. But if two objects are congruent, then 100% they are similar. That means if two triangles are congruent, then they are supposed to be similar, definitely similar. If two rectangles are congruent, then they are 100% similar. But if two triangles are similar, need not to be congruent. If two rectangles are similar, then need not to be congruent. So if congruent, then similar 100%, but if similar, we cannot say it's congruent.